Ready? First of all, get a good bread. Bake your own. Very important, sharp knife. Ooh, still warm. Poaching means almost cooking, but not cooking. 1.5 teaspoon salt, fine salt. Probably a teaspoon of vinegar. Now, when the egg hits the water, the acid will close the egg faster. And see, now it starts to boil, so I need to take it down a little. It cannot boil. You want to have a pan like this high. I don't know how many inches is that, like 3 inches. A whisk. It's just to stir the water around. You just want to make a swirl like that, and then you dump your egg. See, the egg is closing. You can help it swirl like that and close from the top. All this white stuff here we're gonna like remove when the egg comes up. The fresher the egg is, the more they will contain the yolk inside the white. It's pretty easy, as long as it's not boiling. And in 3 minutes, you get the perfect poached egg. In the meanwhile, we'll do the avocado. How do you figure out if an avocado is firm and ready to eat? If this little knob here, you can press that in, it's ready. Cut into the middle, cut around, squeeze them off like that. I always take the knife like that, the end here, and then I turn it. If you don't have the frying spoon like this, you can use like a slotted spoon or whatever spoon you can get just to get it up. That was 3 minutes. Take the egg up. Let it sit. Avocados, cut them in half. Cut the end off here. You can also cut the end of the other end here. Peel it nicely. My avocado toast, of course, mayonnaise. Just a light brush of mayonnaise on your toast. This is how you want to do it. Take your knife, you cut thinly with your tip, just like that. Keep on pressing it through. Thin slices all the way through, moving that finger. Do not cut yourself. And now, press your finger like that. See? Push your knife underneath. Swoop it like that. Make a little hole here in the middle to your egg. I like to have on my poached egg, I like to have arugula. I washed, salt, olive oil, just a little, salt, pepper, splash of vinegar, like that. Parmesan. Mix that together. Just firmly turn it around like that. Put it on top here. And of course, salt, very important. Avocado likes salt, egg likes salt. Grounded pepper. And of course, this is gonna be your breakfast sandwich here. So here you go. Your avocado toast, arugula, poached egg. Look at this baby here. All yummy inside. Velbekomme.